food truck in Puerto Rico to check out. This is Galaxy Burger, located in Caguas Food Truck Park, where it's family and pet friendly, open 7 days a week, and offer delivery on all platforms. Their menu is intergalactically out of this world. They have colorful lemonades, their fast menu, which consists of different appetizers, and their colorful bread that you can get hot dogs, tripletas, or even create your own Galaxy Burger. My favorite one being the black hole, stuffed with cheese, sweet plantain, and guava sauce. Delicious, and it's definitely a place to check out. And for more spots in Puerto Rico, you can follow me at Angeli923.